Hey there, welcome to OSU Drupal Droplets. This is Joe Finn with Oregon State University's Web and Mobile Services. And today we're going to further explore CKEditor by taking a look at some list properties. So let's jump on in to our test page by clicking the Edit tab. And we'll come on down to a big paragraph because we need to borrow a little bit from this paragraph. What we're going to do is just make like a few short lines of text here that we can use to make our lists. And that should be enough right there. So once we have the content in place, making the list is really simple. You just select your text and then come up here and click on whichever option you want, either the bulleted list or the numbered list. We'll start with the bulleted list. So notice when we choose bulleted list, it actually gives us these carets here instead of like a disc or a square. This is actually something that marketing has put into place, and these particular HTML markers can't be overridden. So what you get is the caret. Now if we want to nest items in a list, just go to the beginning of the line that you want to nest, and you can actually click tab and it will indent everything for you just like you'd expect. And let's see, you can also use your buttons here. If we want to outdent, notice we've got both an indent and an outdent button. If we hit outdent, you can see how it pulls that indentation right out. Alright, so we've got our unordered list here, so our bullets. Let's take a look at the numbered list. So we highlight everything and we come over and click on our numbered list again. And you see by default it just gives you just a standard numeric list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we tab in, you'll see that it starts renumbering again. And if we hit that, you'll see the numbers continue. So, can we do anything about these? If we maybe want to change these numbers into letters. Sure we can. So let's highlight this. And if you're using a mouse, this would be a right click. I'm on a Mac here, so to do this, I hit my control button and I right click on my touchpad, and it brings up a contextual menu here. Let's take a look at the numbered list properties. And let's change these items to upper alpha. Notice how it just changes those two items there. Let's scroll down and hit save and see what happens. And there you have it. The ability to make kind of a complex numbered and lettered list is available through CKEditor. And that's about it for our list feature in CKEditor. This has been Joe Finn with Oregon State University's Web and Mobile Services, and I hope to see you for future tutorials.